សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube Channel Dara Yen. Hello everyone. You see, this is a new background now. Here in Cambodia, it is now in Sunday morning. I'm in the pagoda compound with my family. We bring food to offer to the monks in this pagoda. It is quiet here, as you can see here. Not many people come to this pagoda. So my family decided to bring the food to offer to the monks here. Okay, so I hope, and along with this, I feel like it's a good time for shooting a video because it's a good area here. So that's why I'm thinking of like have you some learn some of the grammars. Okay, so thank you very much guys, so please watch and see. បាទសួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្រៀនទាក់ទងទៅនឹងវេយ្យាករណ៍ខ្មែរ Okay, hello everyone, good morning from Kampong Spui province. Today I'm going to help you learn some of the Khmer grammar, how to use before, after that, and then in Khmer. Okay, so there are different ways actually to use it, but today I'm going to help you learn some of the rules and how Khmer people use it in real life situation. Okay, so I'm glad today to help you go through that. Okay, so let's start with the before. So the word before, there are several translations in Khmer. It depends on the situation. So before, like for example, in English, before I came to Cambodia, we say that mun or mun pel. So the word before, you can do it three ways in my mind now. How to use before, the way that we translate in Khmer. So pi mun, mun pel, or pel mun. So that's the way that we translate in Khmer. Before, pi mun, mun pel, pel mun. Okay, like before I came to Cambodia, I live in the US. So mun pel ខ្ញុំមកកម្ពុជាខ្ញុំនៅអាមេរិក. You see, so mun pel. Another situation you used before, like before going to school. So talking about the past. Before going to school, I eat breakfast. So mun pel មកសាលាខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹក. So mun pel. Mun pel. What did you do before? ពីមុនបងធ្វើអី? What did you do before? ពីមុនបងធ្វើអី or មុនបងធ្វើអី? So before is mun, mun pel or pel mun. Okay? The other one is after. After or and then in English. So after we use for like ក្រោយពី បន្ទាប់ពី So after ក្រោយពី or បន្ទាប់ពី So you use for activities that continues. For example, like after my class, I will meet my friend. So បន្ទាប់ពី or ក្រោយពីរៀនភាសាខ្មែរខ្ញុំនឹងជួបពួកម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំ. So after បន្ទាប់ពី or ក្រោយពី បន្ទាប់ពី and ក្រោយពី after breakfast I will go to the market and then meet my friend. See, and then so ក្រោយពីរៀនភាសាខ្មែរខ្ញុំទៅផ្សារ បន្ទាប់មក and then ជាបន្ទាប់មកទៅជួបពួកម៉ាក់. So and then after is ក្រោយពី បន្ទាប់ពី that's the way we translate in Khmer. Okay, so you use it depends on the situation. ក្រោយពីញ៉ាំបាយខ្ញុំទៅផ្ទះ ក្រោយពីទៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំទៅក្រោយពី so one activity to another activity when you use it. Okay, one action to another action you use បន្ទាប់ពី ក្រោយពី. Okay, so this are short videos. I hope this will help you a little bit of how to use the Khmer grammar. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Okay guys, thank you very much.